Next one is future perfect tense. In future perfect tense, we use will have. The structure is that subject plus will have plus past participle form, a third form of the verb. Here the both singular and plural subject we use will have. Here both singular and plural subject we use will have. For example, they will have arrived at the hotel by now. He will have arrived at the hotel by now. Here both singular and plural subject we use will have. I hope you all have understood this. Dear students, in other way also we use have, has, had. For example, I have a car, he has a car, they had a car. Here we use has, have, had as the main verb, not as a auxiliary verb. Here we use has, have, had as a main verb, not as a auxiliary verb. Next we will see do family. Do forms are do, does and did. We use these in simple tense only. We use do forms in simple tense only. Do and does we use only in simple present tense. When we want to make negative sentence or in question sentence. When we want to make negative sentence and question sentence, we use do form. Dear students, next did. Past simple tense we use did in past simple tense. That means when we want to make negative sentence or question sentence, we want to use did. For example, the use of do and does. I like ice cream. When we make the sentence in negative, we want to use do form. I don't like ice cream. See, whenever the plural subject comes like this, we use do not. They don't like ice cream. We don't like ice cream. Rahul and Rani don't like ice cream. With plural subject, we use do not. Do. Next one. I like ice cream. When we want to change this sentence in next question sentence, we have to avoid the not and put the do first. See, the same sentence when we can make question. When we change into question sentence, we have to avoid not and instead we have to put do at the first. You have to avoid not and bring the auxiliary verb do at the first. Do I like ice cream? Do you like ice cream? Do they like ice cream? Do we like ice cream? Do Rahul and Rani like ice cream? So, dear students, next we will see the use of does. He likes ice cream. If the subject is singular, we use does. If the subject is singular, we use does. We use does with a singular subject. When we want to make the question sentence, we have to avoid not and bring does in the first. See, for example, he does not like ice cream. She does not like ice cream. Rahul does not like ice cream. Here, if the subject is singular, we use does. Next, when we want to the same sentence into when we want to change the sentence into question, we have to avoid not and bring does in the first at the first. For example, does he like ice cream? Does she like ice cream? Does Rahul like ice cream? Next, we'll see the use of did. We use did in simple past tense. See, I slept last night. When we want to change the sentence negative, I didn't sleep last night. She didn't sleep last night. Rahul didn't sleep last night. They didn't sleep last night. When we want to change this sentence into question sentence, we have to avoid not and put did at the first. Did I sleep last night? Did she sleep last night? Did Rahul sleep last night? Did they sleep last night? Yes, students, I hope you all have understood this. Now let's go through the exercise. Please come on page number 66. Lekha is playing in the park right now. Here, which is the helping verb used here? Is. Next one, Manav has invited many friends to his birthday party. Which is the helping verb used here? Has. Next, Michael will come to India this summer to study at Delhi University. Which is the helping verb used here? Will. Next, Keshav and her sister have gone to stay with their relatives in Hyderabad. Which is the helping verb used here? Have. Then, mangoes are eaten only in the summer months because they are seasonal fruits. Which is the helping verb used here? Are. George and his brother can speak 3 languages fluently. It is a model auxiliary verb that I will explain the later. Next, which is the helping verb used here? Can. Next, it was raining when we got to Mumbai. Which is the helping verb used here? Was. Priya is playing badminton in the garden with her friends. Which is the helping verb used here? Is. Next one, Swati and her mother have gone to the art exhibition. The helping verb is used here is have. Next one, fill in the blanks with the helping verbs from the box. You may need to use some words more than once. First one, I am not feeling well today. As I already told, we use with only I am. Next one, Payal will go to school slightly late today. Here, which is the verb, helping verb is here? Will. Payal will go. Now, Raghav is planning a surprise party for her mother's birthday. Yes, this curry is not too spicy. The children can eat it. Charu has finished her science project. Yes, Mala is telling the truth. Yes, the boys are baking a chocolate cake. Here the subject is plural, the boys. So we used helping verb are. Next, Asar's cousins are staying with him over the weekend. Next, Kamal can help you with your science homework. This is the model auxiliary verb. Next, my friends will come to see me perform in the concert tonight. See, which is a helping verb used here? Will. My friends will come. Ayengi. I'm fond of baking cakes and cookies. Which is the helping verb used here? Am.